So today we'll be seeing the sequence equation. What is sequence equation program in our HackerRank is? It's one of the easiest, I would say. So given as a sequence of n integers, that would be p1 to pn, which sorry, where each element is distinct and satisfies px is from 1 to n. Okay. So for each x where 1 is to px is from 1 to n and x is from also 1 to n. We have to find an integer y such that p of y is x. This is somewhat like the functions we have studied. एक example दिया हुआ, like for example, p is 5, 2, 1, 3, 4. Each value of x can be from 1 to 5. The length of the sequence will be analyzed as if x equals to 1, p3, p4. Okay, p of 4 is what? 3. Now, so p of 4 will be 1. See, x equals to 1 was p of 3. You can see this p of 3 is 1. Now, this p of 3 was fine. Now, p of 4 is 3. So, can we write p of 4 as 1? Like p of 4 will be 3, so p of 3 will be 1. Okay. So, constraints have been given. We'll come directly to the solution we have. I've done this using C++. Include iostream using namespace std int main int n sin n. First, I'll take the input of n, then define array that is of n plus 1 elements. For int I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, int k, and k is taken as the value of that p. Okay, the p array, then pk will be 1. Sorry, I. pk will be I. So I'll be naming it accordingly to the numbers we are getting it. Now, for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, I have printed p of I. This is all what we have to do for state and then change. So let me see whether it is running or not. See, the test cases have also passed. This is our code. Once again, you can take a screenshot of it also. And if you want it in a written form, then you can go to the website given in the description. And even for more questions that are not in the video, but you want it, you can go through the website. And even if you want that I should introduce more questions, you can either contact me through the website. There's a contact or get in touch form, or you can just directly comment in the comment box, whichever solution you want, or you want to learn any kind of programming language, then also you can just ping me up. Thank you.